So in this video, I want to talk about Confluence. Confluence goes hand in hand with Jira. If you're using Jira, then you should be using Confluence as well. As you know, in Jira, we use to add the stories, execute them, track the progress of the project. So that's where that happens. But the Confluence tool is a complementary to Jira. On Confluence, you can add all the information regarding that project in terms of progress, in terms of status, in terms of documentation. It is like a Wikipedia. And in this video, I'll be going over the basics of setting up a Confluence for your project and basically how to set up a page. A page is like a website where you can go and add all the information for the project. And all you're going to do at the end of it is to provide the link to that page, and then people can access it. In this way, you don't really need to have a Confluence application downloaded. It is all on the website. As long as they have the URL, they'll be able to access that page. On that page, you can use it for status update. You can have people, the team, to collaborate on a particular topic. It is really useful to have that. And I'll be showing you in this video how to set up a simple page that you can use for your team. You can also add a team calendar. It really helps because by having a team calendar on Confluence, you will be able to add the team a vacation, training, anything like that. So what I do is I make sure that everybody adds all that into team calendar. So before I start my daily scrum, I always check that to make sure who is away, so that I don't call them out during daily scrum. So everybody keeps the team calendar up to date, and it's a really good way of tracking who's in the office and who's going to be taking off time. So in this video, I'll be showing you just a basic how to set up a page. So this is the coffee club. This is the Jira board. As you can see, this is the backlog. We have some sprints. With sprint number 4 is active at the moment. But I want to show you how do you get to the actual Confluence from here. You can bookmark it, but if you didn't know how to get to the Confluence, normally you click on the kind of icon here. You click on Confluence, and it will show you all the different spaces available. A space is basically the URL where the actual Confluence will be set up. So I have all these different spaces where I have Confluence space set up, but because we're talking about Coffee Club, now I actually create a new space called the Coffee Club. So when I click on that, I'll go to Coffee Club, which is like this. And at the moment, I don't have any pages set up. All I have is a home page. And to create the first page, I can click on this, which is a create a page, or I can click on this to say create a page as well. So let's go ahead and create a page. When you click on that, the first page comes up. It says give a title. So over here, I'll put down key information that we will add on this page, so people will know what the login information is for whatever they need. So in this page is all the key information. Okay? And I can set up a table. So if I want to put a table here, so I want to say this is just a table here. I want to put the login IDs. So we can put down tool, and I can put down here login information or URL. And you can add any notes in here, for example. So for example, if I want to know where the Jira board is for this thing, I want to know if somebody is asking the actual SharePoint information, then you can add it here. So for the Jira, I need to go back to my Jira board here, and this is my Jira board. So I click on the backlog, and I click on that. I go back to my here, and I say this is my Jira board is here. Okay, so this is the main Jira for the project. Okay, and SharePoint you can add here. So this is the page. Once you finish adding all the information, you want to publish it, and it says you want to publish this under the club home directory. You say yes. And there you go. You go to the first page, and under your Confluence space called the Coffee Club. You continue building other pages for other information, and throughout this videos for the Confluence, I will show you how to do that, how to build up your Confluence page for statuses, for key documentation, etc. So here's your first one. So if anybody wants to know how to get to this page, you're going to say this is the URL. You click on that and you send the link. When they click on it, they will be able to get that. So